Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make a paper frog. First, take a A4 size paper and fold it like this. As we need a square size paper, cut the remaining part. This is a square size paper with a diagonal line running in the middle. Now fold the square into half like this. Take the right upper part and fold it like this. Unfold it and repeat the process in the left. Repeat the process on the other side. The shape would look like this. Now fold the upper half part of the paper to make a folded double triangle like this. There are two triangles. Repeat the process in the lower half part. Now the shape will look like this. Now fold all four triangles like this. The large triangles will give shape to small triangles. Again, fold these small triangles like this. Repeat the process in all four triangles. Take the upper point and fold it like this. Now fold the adjoining corner. Align it with the middle. Repeat the process on the other side. Now take the base triangle and then adjust both other triangles with this triangle like this. The shape should look like this. Now fold the whole shape into half. Take the bottom part and again fold it into half on one side. Now it's time to make eyes of your frog. The frog is just ready to jump. Thank you for watching our paper origami. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.